Hello and welcome to another Nimble video tutorial. What can I say? It's been a very busy week here. A lot to talk about, a lot to show, but basically the word of the week is content. I've been providing and building a lot of content for Nimble version 5. I'm going to let you take a peek at some of it and then show you what my weekend tasks are. So if you've been following my Trello board, you've probably been seeing that I've been knocking out bugs, any little minor enhancements I've been putting on in progress and working through them as needed. I've got 3 tasks that have been sitting on my board for a while. The main one I think I'm going to work on this weekend is my TCS window styles. I'm going to map them to nimble.js, and I'll explain what that all means in just a moment. But primarily, I've been working on content. If you have been looking or even taking a look at the forums, I uploaded, I believe, 6 projects. 6 total projects added to the forums with pictures and links to the zip files that you can open and play with inside the Nimble editor. I'm working on the 7th one, and let me just show you one that is complete. This is just a PicClip demonstration. I think I featured this once before, but this is just the source code and a sample test of the ability to do sprite animations with the PicClip Control. This is an emulated version of the one that was featured in Visual Basic. I kind of added my own touch to it to make it a little bit more simpler to use and more unified with the Nimble platform, but it works pretty much the same nonetheless. I'll give you a quick look at this in demonstration mode. So this is just a graphics control showing all the frames of the PicClip. When this same image is loaded into a PicClip control, it will, and you set the number of rows and columns in the image, it will show it as an individual frame. And you can animate that PicClips with a simple timer and stepping through the frames in a loop. It works the same as the VB control, and I wanted to debut this for gaming and the ability to create sprites and animations seamlessly in this platform. Just wanted to give you a quick look at how it works. The project is available, sources included, and you can download it from my forums. My weekend work is going to include some enhancements, or I'll say filling in the gaps with tab controls. I've built in the tab editor that allows you to edit and customize the number of tabs in the tab control, but the full scope or full functionality of this tab element or tab control is the ability to position where the tabs lie. And in the native code Windows world, there are a series of styles that control top, right, and vertical that control the position of these tabs on the tab control. I'm going to map these styles so that they appropriately affect and change the position of the tab. Currently, to change the position of the tab, you simply set this tag or this attribute property, and that will control where the tab appears. This is on the left bottom here, the left side bottom portion. If I change the word bottom to top, I can get my keyboard to work and click save, it's on the left side and at the top. And these that simple attribute controls anywhere you want to position those tab buttons. The mapping, or the idea, is that when you click on the appropriate style checkboxes, it will generate the correct text sequence so that it appears where it should, in line with the Windows styles. When you use Nimble, I guess the simple way is to simply set the property, but you can use the Windows styles and it will automatically update this property and they'll work back. Well, they won't. It'll be a one-way update from the styles to this property. It will not reset backwards. That being said, that's all I'm going to work on this weekend, getting this tab control project finished up, mapped, and zipped up so that I can upload it on the forums. All the other projects are currently released and available for anyone who is playing around with Nimble. I uploaded of course, the full running match card game, the 3D sample, some docking and locking samples, but just more content for the project. It's the weekend. The fun never stops. The fun never ends. The project continues to move forward. It keeps getting better, more solid, better than I expected. So I'm going to push this thing forward and see if I can get these last updates this weekend. Thank you for watching.